Us government workers received an email on Saturday afternoon asking them to list their accomplishments from the past week or resign. The latest development in the Trump administration's efforts to scale back the federal workforce. The email came after Trump's billionaire confidant Elon Musk posted on X that employees would shortly receive an email requesting to understand what they got done last week. Failure to respond will be taken as a resignation, he wrote. Musk, as the head of the so-called Department of Government Efficiency (DOGE), has been leading an outside effort to aggressively curtail government spending through funding cuts and firings. The email arrived in inboxes shortly after Trump spoke at the Conservative Political Action Conference SPAC. The messages came with the subject line, "What did you do last week?" from a sender listed as our OPM is asking employees to provide a brief summary of what they did last week by the end of Monday. Ceasing their manager, it said, agencies will determine any next steps. The message did not mention whether a failure to respond would be considered a resignation. Trump has repeatedly applauded Musk's government-cutting measures. In a Truth Social post, Trump said that Musk is doing a great job in reducing the size of the federal government and that he would like to see him get more aggressive in the pursuit